everyone, we're going to be starting to introduce our Black Caviar line. It's by Mon Platin. This line contains minerals from the Dead Sea. So there's 26 minerals made up in the Dead Sea, which is great for repairing. Lots of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, such as pomegranate. Green tea extracts will act as circulation for the scalp, which helps promote hair growth. Now we're going to use our 12-in-1, which is amazing as a leave-in conditioner, a detangler, a sun protection, and of course a heat protection. What's nice, if you have color-treated hair, it locks in the color, eliminates the frizz, gives shine to the hair, also helps repair your ends, and of course the smell. Now for the finishing touches, we're going to use the Black Caviar serum. No need to use a lot. I'm going to do about 1.5 pumps. Mid-shaft to the ends. That's all where the serum is needed, mid-shaft to the ends. Gives it that extra shine, seals the ends. In the Mon Platin line, this Black Caviar serums come for fine hair. It also comes for straightened, which is good for maintaining the straightening services. And it also comes for the dry colored. All the serums are color safe, so no need to worry. I also want to mention one thing more. It's out of the Caviar line, which is our Oriental oil. It contains vitamin E, jojoba oil, which acts as a moisturizer as well as a UV protection, and it also contains wheat germ. Amazing oils, amazing smells, good for all types of hair as well.